Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video 5 for the open medical category, and I want to talk about the diet and lifestyle changes that we've made. She's acne prone, she does have more sensitive skin. So Abby is a nurse, she works in a high stress environment. Stress increases the cortisol levels, which causes the skin to produce more oil, which can lead to more inflammation. So we've been really managing her stress with exercise. She's consuming a lot of water, and she's been eating really healthy and being mindful of any of her triggers. Some of her big triggers are yogurt and whey. A lot of dairy products have a hormone called IGF-1 that will stimulate the skin to produce more sebum, which can cause acne or inflammation in the skin. And the whey, though it does not have IGF-1, it does stimulate more IGF production in the body, which can also cause more acne. So having her switch to almond milk and vegetable protein. She also consumes a lot of peanut butter, and peanut butter is high in androgen activity, which can cause the skin to produce more oil. So I do have her switching to almond butter. She also just got her Mirena IUD put back in about 3 months ago, which can cause an increase in androgenic hormones that can also cause the skin to produce more oil. So limiting her other triggers are very important. She's also taking 2 supplements. One is a 1000 milligram omega-3 with a 2:1 EPA to DHA ratio. This supplement influences cell membranes, modulates inflammatory pathways, and impacts the production of eicosanoids and other signaling molecules. The supplement also helps to prevent transepidermal water loss, which can cause dehydration and make her skin more sensitive. She's also taking a zinc supplement with 30 milligrams of zinc monomethionine. This form of zinc is going to help control excess oil production, reduce inflammation in the skin, and promote skin healing by supporting cell regeneration and collagen production. There's also a proprietary probiotic in the supplement that's going to kill any bad bacteria in the gut and keep the good bacteria. This will help to prevent an imbalance in the gut microbiome, which can lead to chronic inflammation in the body, which will show up as inflammation in the skin as well. She does have a couple trips coming up, a day trip to New York City and a trip to the beach. We did go over really good sun behavior, reapplying SPF, wearing a big hat, and trying to stay in the shade when possible. I will keep you guys updated in the next video.